All right, so I got the top off the boat. Time to get this thing ready for the water. I'm gonna try something new this year. I've used the Marine 31 for the past few years, and it's worked great. I got some comments on the videos that you can just use bleach. So I figured I'd give it a try. I got pretty good mold and mildew, just like every other year. I store this outside with a cover on it, so it's hard to keep the mildew out, and I have no problem with it. It's an older boat. It seems to clean off every year. So I'll start with the steering wheel. I think that's a pretty good test. We'll see how it works. I have a basically just a spray bottle with 50% Clorox bleach, 50% water. So we'll spray it on there, let it sit. We'll scrub it off like we usually do, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so overall, I'd say it's a success. I sprayed it on just like I usually do. I just let it kind of sit there for a minute and do its magic. These seats are super old. Some of these are stains that aren't going to come out. There's rips. I haven't gotten around to replacing it, but I didn't have to scrub that much, and everything, all the mold spots look like they came out, and for substantially cheaper. So that Marine 31 is super expensive, and so the fact that I was able to get most of the mold off with just 50% bleach is awesome. So this will be the new the new method for removing bleach for me, or removing mold. So that was just about 20 minutes. So I'm happy. Thanks for the suggestion. I gave it a shot and it worked. Thanks for watching.